Hare Krishna. This is the most holy Pashupatinath temple at Nepal. So grateful to be here. It has been one of my dream to come here. So what you can see there, that Shikhar is the temple of Pashupatinath, below which the Shivling of Pashupatinath is there. He has 4 heads. The story of Pashupatinath is like this. The Pandavas went to Himalayas to do tapasya and to have darshan of Lord Shiva there. So finally, after a long time of tapasya, Lord Shiva gave darshan in the form of a bull. So Bhima goes running to catch the bull because he understands that this is Shiva. But Shiva runs away, the bull runs away. And the bull enters into the earth. And the hump of that bull becomes visible as the ling of Kedarnath. And then it is explained that Shivji, in the form of this bull, shows up his face in the other side of the Himalayas, which is Nepal, Kathmandu, and he shows his face. So therefore this place is called Pashupatinath, where he showed himself the face of a bull. So there are 4 faces of Lord Shiva here. The ling here has 4 faces. Very beautiful darshan, most amazing darshan. I offered the prayers on behalf of all of you all, prayed for the well-being of all devotees. Lord Shiva is a great Vaishnava, Vaishnavanam Yata Shambho. We can sincerely offer our prayers to Lord Shiva that we can become a great devotee of Lord Krishna like he is. We can develop devotion to Lord Krishna, to Lord Ram. It is explained that the success of Char Dham Yatra happens when one visits Pashupatinath and has darshan of Pashupatinath ji. So Char Dham refers to Gangotri, Yamunotri, Badrinath, Kedarnath, and Char Dham also refers to Rameshwaram, Badrinath, Dwarka, Jagannath Puri. So after you visit all these 4 dhams, then you come to Pashupatinath and have darshan of Shivji here, Bholenath ji here. So a very auspicious darshan. Cameras, mobiles are not allowed inside. We can't show you the darshan from inside, but it's an amazing place. Definitely, once in a lifetime someone should visit this place. This temple is on the holy banks of Bhagmati river, a very, very auspicious and a very holy river. Lot of rites happen here. You can actually see one dead body there. Someone has left his body. The body's final rites are being performed here. So it's a very auspicious place, just like Varanasi, on the banks of Kashi Vishwanath in Ganga. You have the Dashashwamedh Ghat, you have Manikarnika Ghat, where bodies are being burnt continuously. It is considered very auspicious. Similarly, Bhagmati river is very auspicious, and someone's body being burnt here, it's considered very auspicious that Lord Shiva gives this person the holy name of Krishna, the holy name of Lord Ram. So this is the darshan of Pashupatinath. Pashupatinath Bhagavan ki jai, Bholenath ki jai, Bhagavan Ramachandra ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai.